Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to create an iCloud ID now. Start by confirming your iPhone 11 runs recent iOS and is on Wi-Fi. Slow connections cause verification delays. Once done, go to Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. That's the entry point. You'll select Create Apple ID, enter your name, birth date, and a recovery email or phone. Use a secure password. Apple requires letters, numbers, and a capital. This protects iCloud data and Find My features. Now you'll verify and configure core settings. After creating your Apple ID, Apple sends a 6-digit verification code to the phone or email you provided. Enter it promptly to confirm your identity. Next, choose which iCloud services to enable: Photos for backups, Contacts to sync, Keychain for passwords, and Find My iPhone for device recovery. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. It adds a second security layer. If you use a family plan, set up family sharing now to share purchases and subscriptions. Finish by verifying sync and linked services. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to confirm backups and storage usage. Upgrade storage if needed. Sign into App Store, Messages, and FaceTime so purchases and conversations attach to your new Apple ID. If activation stalls, try simple fixes. Restart the iPhone, ensure date and time are set automatically, or reset network settings. These resolve common verification and connectivity issues. If you still
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.